Introducing the first portable folding drone from Hubsen, the all-new Hubsen Zino, a new precedent in design and scientific intelligence that embodies the pinnacle of Hubsen's engineering expertise and craft. Witness the practical understanding of space and portability built within an innovative folding structure, as propellers and arms condense themselves perfectly into the body, reducing total aircraft surface area. Simple design meets sleek aerodynamics. Smooth body lines minimize air resistance. A fusion of mobility and stable flight performance. The new Hubsen Zino is the result of our relentless pursuit for increased performance. We've given the Zino a newly designed 3-axis gimbal to ensure stable shots and peace of mind while filming. The aircraft's body incorporates high quantities of impact-resistant polycarbonate to provide high-impact shock resistance and all-encompassing safety standards. Everything comes together in clever design and high style. Carefully distributed vents provide much-needed internal circulation for heat dissipation. Hubsen Zino, equipped with a compass, barometer, GPS, low-power protection, loss of control protection, and motor stall protection, the Zino and its comprehensive auxiliary performance systems are made to provide you with a safe and enjoyable experience. Hubsen has never stopped pursuing the optimization of user experience, nor technological innovation. We demand excellence from every step of the manufacturing process to the technological experience that the finished product brings to the world. Hubsen, we fly with your dreams.